This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Winner. Well, we got to hope for the best in the final minutes, folks. Started off with a Pachinko 40x and 100x. Can we leave on the same note? Would be pretty cool. 2x Topslot, crazy time. Up. Up. Ay, 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 ay. 2x Topslot, crazy time. Let's go. Folks, let's go to the big wheel in the sky! Welcome to the big leagues! Time to choose your fighter, choose your flapper! 2x on the wheel! And folks, choose your flapper, green, blue, or yellow. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued: 138,878 euros.
40x for green and yellow and 200x for blue. That's 160 total winners. Hello. That's 3374k. We started off with a 100x, ending with a 200x. Let's go, Team Blue, make some noise. Now we're definitely blue. Let's go, folks. Team Blue, very cash money. 3x Topslot on crazy time. Can we do it?
And thank you for playing, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to place our bets. Don't forget about all the options, and thank you for playing, and hello new players. See you at the next round. Wish you the best of luck at the next spin. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, good luck. Eski Nava, we have 3 small plan cash on. Imagine I work here forever. I never leave. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we landed on cash on with 3x multiplier. That's really nice. Okay, so let's go to the cash hunt round. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, hello again. Welcome to the cash hunt round. Okay, so first of all, it's a really good thing that we have a top slot 3x multiplier. So the highest one is 500x, and we get now 150x, the highest one. Good luck. Oh wow! Oh wow! I thought the highest multiplier it was 100x, and now for especially this round it was 500x. So 500x, 3 times bigger, 1,500. Wow! I'm so out of my mind right now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so pick your favorite emoji and maybe win a really big prize. Okay, let's see what we got.
This is the amount of money issued: 32,224 euros.
In the middle, that's amazing. Congratulations to all of you again, and now let's go back to the wheel. Wow! Wow, 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 I see many players win 1,500x multiplier at this cash on session. Wow, I'm so happy.
Listen, we are getting close. We're cornering that. Up, stop. 4x cash on, everybody. them tingles. You have good senses. Welcome to Cashon. Cashon's been treating us. I like that. What is good? Where's the 100? I can't see it. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, 500 is there. Times 4, but that means we have 2,000x right now. Oh, the stakes are high. Okay, this is the one. You can get it. You can get it. Decision time. This is the one. This is the one. I will let you focus. Okay. I will choose this row, the apple on the 4th column. Review.
This is the amount of money issued 56,764 euros.
10 of you actually got it. 10 of you chose the good one. 1,978 winners. Compliments. Bets are open. Oh, you got 100, Zlatan. Good shot. Good shot. Who got 2K? Who got 2K? Speak up.
20 and 15. There you go. My brain keeps saying 10 for some reason. Sav, you need to give Era some of your heights. I would if I could. This height is a bit too big, I'll be honest. 20th in a cash on. Wait a minute! Wait a minute! Wait a minute! Stop! Yes! Let's go! 20x cash on! Big! Alright! I take those! I take those! Let's get it! Okay! By the way, 2K, alright? And a bunch of others. Like, this board is insane. 1Ks as well. Alright. You know what to do. We're going to mix them up. And let's see what we getting, eh? Alright. Not too bad. Not too shabby, I'd say. Alright. Well, good luck, everybody. This one's for sure good luck. I hope to get to 1K. Hey, man, I hope you get to 2K, alright? Decision time is right now. Pick an item on the board. Take your shot. Let's see what kind of multipliers you're getting this time. If you don't want, there's also an auto-pick option after decision timer is over. I'm picking the exact middle. Like, what is it, 6.5 or something? I think it's 6.5. Right, decision's closing. Multiplier reveal.
This is the amount of money issued 208,316 euros.
19 people got 2K, 313 people got 1K, 1,802 winners. Congratulations, betting time is open. Big! You got a 2K, Black Widow? Big, man! Good, nice, very nice. Alright. Where is this warlord dude, bruv? Come out of the woodworks, boy. And almost... You got 2K from Autopic? Yo!
And Firba says you're fired. Crazy Time 4X. Do I trust him? Does that mean I love you, though? Well, what's the best way to say I love you? By getting a top slot Crazy Time. Sheesh! 4X top slot. That's our first bonus. You stay, you play, you win the game. Okay, guys, top slot, Crazy Time, yo. Birthday boy. 4X top slot, make it nice. Oh my. So all the numbers are multiplied 4 times. And then we shall make a spin. But before we do that, green, blue, yellow, which arrow, which team, which flapper? I don't know, guys. I heard what? Green, yellow were good, yeah? Let's go blue then. 800 max. Enjoy. Banana.
This is the amount of money issued 138,878 euros.
400 blue and 80x yellow. Called it. called it. I knew it. Blue Flapper Legendary. Sheesh. Well, congratulations to all the winners, but Blue is special. Thank you, everybody. Congratulations to you guys. Wow, that's a big win.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.